Welcome back to the Info Boss channel, where we show you how to sell your info like a boss. And in this video, I'm going to answer the question, which online teaching platforms do not have minimum requirements for the length of the course or the number of lectures in a course? Well, we all know that Udemy is kind of the 800-pound gorilla in the online course marketplace world, right? They have over 24 million students around the world. They're kind of the standard bearer at this point. Well, Udemy does have requirements. They require that you have at least 5 sections to your course, and each of those sections must have at least 1 lecture. They require a minimum course length of 30 minutes, which is really a very short course length. So those requirements are not very bad at all. They're not horrible requirements. They really make it so that you can't make a 10-minute or a 15-minute course, which is great, right? But there are other marketplaces that don't really have those types of requirements. And when you go to each of these marketplaces, you want to read their terms and conditions, and you want to read their FAQs and see what it is that that particular course marketplace requires. Now, there are a lot of marketplaces out there that don't require anything, that don't have any minimum requirements. But if you really want full control of your course and exact say in how you create your course, then you're going to want to go with a self-hosted plan, such as Thinkific or Teachable, where you host your courses yourself. You have complete say in what is involved in your course. On my Teachable site, I have courses that are basically webinars that I recorded. So they're not even really courses in the traditional sense of the word, where they're broken up into sections or broken up into lectures. These are actually just 1-hour webinars that I did and recorded, and I put those webinars on my Teachable site as a course. So you could literally just create a recording, a 1-hour recording, and not have to break it up and not have any minimum or maximum requirements when it comes to your course. And that's when you use a self-hosted business model. Now, with the self-hosted business model, there are many other advantages as well. In fact, my self-hosted courses out-earn my marketplace courses, such as Udemy and these other marketplaces, by as much as 10 to 1. So the biggest benefit of being on a self-hosted platform is, number one, you get to keep 100% of the revenue, right? With a marketplace like Udemy and some of these other ones, you have to share your revenue 50%, sometimes 75% to the marketplace. The other benefit is you can charge a lot more when you self-host your courses. You can charge real-world pricing instead of the huge discounts that are charged on Udemy courses and some of these other marketplaces. If you want to learn the insider secrets to making a massive passive income with online courses, then be sure to hit that subscribe button. And also, I've got a couple of free offers for you. You're going to want to get this download. It's called The World's Most Perfect Business. It's all about the online course business and how not only I'm making a lot of money with it, but a lot of other people are as well. So you're going to get that free download at daveespino.com/free book. And then the other freebie I have for you is a special webinar training that I'm doing all about the online course business, how you can get yourself to 6 figures with an online course business. And I'm not talking about creating 50 or 60 courses like I have. I'm talking about doing it with one comprehensive master class and how you can turn that into a 6, 7, and even 8-figure income. So you're going to want to attend that webinar, especially because I'm giving away all kinds of amazing gifts in the webinar as well. To register for the webinar, just go to daveespino.com/webinar. I look forward to seeing you on the webinar, where I'm going to show you this incredible world that I call the world's most perfect business. So there are a lot of benefits to the self-hosted model. I teach those benefits in the Fast Start Kit that you can get down below this video. And that's my answer for this question. I'll see you on the next video when we answer some more questions about the online course business.